How to fix a Minecraft internal exception java.net.socketException connection reset error. For this first step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Java and Minecraft Launcher. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means click Allow another app. Click Browse and you can add it. Go to C drive, program files, Java, Java version bin, get the application. Same like this, you need to add the Minecraft launcher. After adding enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Come to next step, search for CMD, right click it, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS, click enter. The next command ipconfig space slash release, click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew, click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset, click enter. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset, click enter. And at last exit it. After completing, come to next step, search for control panel, click program option and right click Java, click update, click update now. If this option is not having means then go with next step, click OK in the bottom side. After updating, close it. If the option is not having means you need to go to settings, click app settings, click install app. You need to search if Java is added or not. If it's not having means you need to go to the official website of Java, download and install the latest version. After click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset the network. Thank you.